Hey everyone, it's Anna and Elena from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today we want to talk to you a little bit about the PNW Signature Multifunction Tumbler Press. So the one you see in front of you is actually a prototype that we received for testing. We wanted to make sure to extensively test this press before offering it for sale. While doing so, we found that there were a couple flaws. So we worked directly with the engineers of the manufacturer to fix these flaws. The ones that you will be receiving will be slightly different in that the control panel right here will be pink. It'll be a light pink color, and also the standard attachment that is attached to it currently is 11 to 15 ounce mug attachment. And the attachment over here is actually the skinny 20-ounce tumbler attachment. Both of these attachments will come with the press that we are selling. This is going to be a newer model of the press. You may see this exact press right here in front of you with the 11 to 15 ounce standard attachment sold elsewhere or in other groups. But just know that that is the older model. It's not going to be the newer model with the upgrades that we worked with the manufacturer to create. So with all that being said, let's press a ceramic mug using the 11 to 15 ounce standard attachment. First, we're going to want to set the temperature, and there is an operation manual that will come with the press. And if you look on section 3, it talks about adjusting the temperature. So first you'll want to press the set button. The temperature light will illuminate. Press the up and down, and we are going to set it for 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you want to press the set button again. The setting lights will illuminate. Press the up and down button to set the printing temperature. We're going to set this to 365 degrees. Section 4 will talk about setting the time. So you're going to press the set button again. The time lights will illuminate, and we want to set it for 135 seconds in order to press a 11-ounce ceramic mug.